Graceland was amazing, and now I'm headed to Tupelo Buffalo Park. Okay, so this is gonna take 40 to 45 minutes to drive through Tupelo Buffalo Park. I had no idea it would take that long, but I already paid for it and I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Here we go. Wow. These are the animals at the park. I'm especially looking forward to the buffalo. Feed at your own risk. I have some food. I just don't know what I'd want to feed. Maybe the buffalo. Oh my gosh, I don't. This is a little crazy. I'm not gonna feed the camel. Camel's already coming at me. Oh boy. Look at that. I thought the van was maybe full of kids on a school trip or something, and I was a little embarrassed and unsure about this whole thing, me trying to feed the animals alone. So of course I didn't make eye contact as I passed, so I had no idea what that van was. No eye contact is, you know, that's the introvert's secret weapon to avoid talking to people. Side so that van can go around me, but then I realized that it was an employee who was there to help the people as they're driving through the park. I'm good. Yeah. No, that's okay. It's hard to hear him, but he's trying to he wants to know if I want his help getting the animals riled up so that they'll come around the car. And I'm saying, no, please. No, I'm okay. I just wanted to enjoy myself and kind of look from a distance. And so anyway, then this happens. I didn't catch it, but Cherokee is rubbing up against my passenger side door and window. And I love him so much. Oh no, don't leave me. Please don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. I'm very scared right now. Hey there. Oh my gosh. I'm a little nervous.
Yeah, I know. You know what a buffalo can be, some serious. They ain't real good. Be that Harold. Take the chicken.
That's all right.
Good.
Yeah.
Hey, know what you do? I would say that eat dang, you good, baby. You big baby. Cherokee.
Okay.
I think that's good. I think we're done. That's all I have. Here, will you get him? Oh, here you go. Here you go. Oh, okay. Is that okay? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna carry on. Thank you very much.
Good?
I'm good.
Cherokee. I can't believe myself a buffalo like this. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Take a good picture with him, man. Take a good picture with him.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. Well, of course it was the buffalo that I cared most about. But he made a huge mess of my car. A big mess. But I don't care at all because it's a buffalo. Oh gosh. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Okay. This is awesome. There, I just cleaned out my van. I wanted to be near that buffalo, but I was so afraid. And that guy was he just laughed at me, and I love that because it helped me relax. It made me a lot more comfortable because he wasn't fazed by it at all. Gosh, and did you see that? He reached out and pet it, and then he did encourage me to pet the buffalo too, and I did. I am so thankful for him because he helped me enjoy it so much more. There's zebras. And they said that if I stop, they'll surround the car, so those look like, are those beefalo and not buffalo? Zebras. And I think there's a water buffalo out there. There's all the animals. Love this buffalo, but I'm not gonna feed him. I know. Look at what's coming after me. This is very, very scary. They're fast. I know these birds are very fast. They're not gonna like that. I'm not gonna feed them. Oh dear. I feel bad that I'm not feeding all the other animals, but honestly, just my heart was set on the buffalo. Ever since Yellowstone, I'm in love with buffalo, so it was pretty amazing to be able to feed a buffalo and be that close to it, and it was so sweet, and I was able to pet the buffalo, Cherokee, and it was great. It was really hard to do alone, trying to, take video or pictures, also trying to feed the buffalo. And you are supposed to hold the bucket of food outside the window. You're not supposed to keep it inside, but that's why my car ended up so messy. My fault, not the buffalo's fault. Look at that poor sad camel. It's waiting for company. I had a wonderful time. Definitely worth it. And I did end up having a great visit with the man who works there. I love the South. People are so nice. I was here before and I toured where Elvis was born in Tupelo, Mississippi. And so now I'm just going to go and touch the hand of Elvis. So I just touched Elvis's hand. Of course, if it was the real Elvis, I'm pretty sure I would not have sanitized afterward. I did it again.
Sharp left onto Mississippi 178 East.
I keep turning too soon. I'm gonna do it right this time. Sometimes I think I know better than the GPS. Sometimes I'm wrong. Alright. Yep. Great big Roadrunner. Take a picture of it. Right here. And hope. I like it. Okay.
Head east on Peppertown Plaza toward Mississippi 178 East.
Okay, now I'm on my way to look for Jesus on a hospital door in Jasper, Alabama. I tried several different angles, but with the glare, it's a little tough to see. Well, that was my last stop. I'm at Love's. I think I have 3 hours to drive this morning to get to my destination on the beach. Really looking forward to that. Thank you to the man who bought my breakfast at Hardee's. It was one of those pay it forward, and so the man ahead of me paid for my breakfast, and then there was nobody behind me that I could pay for. So anyway, that was very nice, but I will look for an opportunity to pay it forward. Time to get out, stretch my legs, go to the bathroom, do a little walking, get some steps in. I'm getting so very, very close to the beach. My favorite part of the drive, when you're going over the causeway and then all of a sudden you see this huge, beautiful ocean in front of you. I made it. So happy to be here. I did not catch COVID. No hurricanes. Feeling pretty good. I unpacked the van and settled into my little condo where I'll be staying for a while. I love these stretches of beach where there's a lot of condo buildings and you can rent tiny, cute little condos. Pretty reasonable too. I will be exploring the area, and I do get myself into something that I absolutely never expected, and I'm so thankful. So stay tuned. Join me.